Oh, yay! I'm gonna launch a rocket. I don't see anything. I can't hear you. You muted yourself.
Oh, can you hear me better now?
Now, yes, I can hear you.
Good.
Now.
Recover.
Sometimes I just can't hear
Recover. I forgot about this. Recover. I probably need to. I probably need to repair this. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we have some astronauts here, so let's recover this astronaut. We're gonna recover this astronaut. Okay, so what? There's something on my screen. Do you see that?
Yeah. But it's a little.
Yeah.
There we go. That's better.
What is this here?
I don't know. Oh, maybe it's just a stunt.
Okay, supposed to escape. Let's click save game. Revert. Test audio OBS. Save. Launchpad. Let's go to the Saturn V replica marks number 16 and launch.
Yay!
Let's take out. We engineer. Let's put a scientist on here. There we go. And launch.
Launch!
Why isn't it letting me launch? Do I not have enough money? Am I broke or something?
I don't know, but I can't see your money. How many money do you have?
Up here.
Oh, I see it. Oh, that's a lot. I don't even. No one has that money in real life. But they do have it on the game.
For some reason, it's not letting me launch.
Maybe you should get more money before you launch it. I don't know. I know it can work. Maybe you should get some more money.
There seems to be something wrong.
Yeah, maybe something is wrong.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Let's go that. Or let's recover everything before we launch it. Yay, please launch a rocket.
Is Chloe there watching?
Yeah, Chloe's watching too. She's eating a banana.
Okay.
Right now.
So see, this shows a delta V in different parts of it.
Yeah.
So this is the
I know.
science behind it. Thrust, torque, thrust to weight ratio, etc., etc. Okay, let's click launch.
We're gonna launch it. Oh, it's too black to see it. It's very dark.
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't see it. Can you move a little, Chloe? Thanks. I don't see anything. Oh, now it's just that black and yellow words. No, that's
okay, so we have.
What time is it on there?
All right, so let's do the launch sequence. Oh.
Maybe 7 o'clock.
It's a little broken.
Oh, there we go. Now it's starting.
We're on internal power with the launch vehicle at this time. 30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good.
I don't know where you are now. It's gone. Everything's gone.
20
That's
seconds
better now. I can see it.
All the second stage tanks now pressurized.
The only thing about that is it's too.
Internal.
Mm-hmm.
And
that's better. I can hear you again.
9,
9, 8,
7,
6,
5,
5,
4, 3, 2,
1, 0. Blast off. We have a liftoff. Liftoff. Yay, you're turning to get in orbit, I guess. Yeah, the Saturn V must get in orbit before they get to the moon, right? Now can't hear you.
Yeah, it's because I'm not talking. That's why.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
All right, we're gonna practice the emergency escape system, and
Again? You already did it.
yeah,
That's all.
yeah, we're gonna do it again because we don't have a lot of time. And emergency escape now.
We're running out. We're falling. You're gonna say that part or you're not. You should. Is there no? I think you should make something. Hey.
Why isn't this working?
Done eating the banana. Why is it? Oh,
There we go.
Oh, there's only one engine. Make the total thrust of that engine so it doesn't fall. All of the engines.
I'm trying. Activate. Activate.
If you do it quickly as possible, it's running down. Yay! That's all the engines. And you have to get it as the maximum thrust. So this thing falls and explodes. I don't think this will work. But this thing would.
We're gonna try to land it.
We're gonna try it. It's not gonna really go. But you have to do the maximum thrust to slow it down. Maximum.
No. If we go too fast, it'll destroy it.
Yeah, it's gonna explode again. Don't explode the whole rocket. Please don't. We're gonna do it faster so it can land. Get the thrust fast. Oh, it's going up now. No, now it's going down quick. You need to go a little more. We exploded. And that is weird now. Oh, look at that. That's funny. That engine is still burning. How could you stop it? You're so funny. It's moving across the road. That part is broken. Where's the guy?
That's pretty funny. They're right here.
Oh, there we go. We're not letting them jump out again. I don't know that's. Yeah, we're letting them jump out again. Ah, we need a parachute. Folks, he's gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna let him jump out again. Let another person jump out. Jump! Get the parachute down before she. Oh, now that's a little weird.
They're stuck.
I don't know that. She's stuck. Oh no, that's better. She's not stuck now. He finally unstuck. One more person. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. We need a parachute. Quickly. Folks. We are gonna fall down. Yay, she's letting a front flip. Front flip. Oh no, she's getting burned. Run. Run away from that. You're funny.
Okay, they all made it. Okay, good.
Yay!
All right. Quit the main menu. Exit
Let's
the
make
main.
a real rocket that's going today, right now.
Yeah, we will in a moment. But right, remember, we were just testing.
Okay, I know.
Uh,
Oh, that rocket's funny. That thing.
we're gonna quit this. Yeah, and let's hope that the recording worked this time. Cause I noticed my computer.
Please, please let it work right now.
Right.
Please.
We're